This is one of the digestive charts that we have up in our lab. And this particular portion of the chart is showing you the mouth and many of the structures of the mouth. So I will just start at the top. And a lot of the major structures have been pointed out on here using the arrows. So I'll identify what these arrows are pointing to. So this first one is pointing to just the lip. The lips are the structure that surround the entire mouth. So lips go all the way around. The space between, or actually underneath of the lip, but on the outside of the gums, this space here, it's on the top and on the bottom. That space is called the vestibule. And then the gums or gingivae are right here. The teeth are embedded in the gums. So you can see gingivae on the top and down here across the bottom. It's difficult to see on the top. There's a thin fold of mucous membrane here. You can see it a little bit better, this fold here. It's on the top and the bottom, and it secures the lip to the gingiva. It's called the labial frenulum. Then the entire space within the mouth is called the oral cavity. This structure that fills a large portion of the mouth is called the tongue. And there are tiny bumps that cover the tongue, which are called papilla. And the taste buds are found within the papilla. On either side, towards the back of the mouth, there is a set of tonsils. These are the palatine tonsils. So they're sort of oval structures on either side. Here, the anterior portion of the roof of the mouth is the hard palate. So it ends right about here. It's made of bone. And then the soft palate forms the posterior portion. And hanging down from the soft palate, this arrow right here is pointing to it. It's called the uvula. Then if you just look at the entire palate, you can see it has kind of ridges on it. It's not perfectly smooth. These ridges, which are identified by this arrow here, it's pointing to one of them, but they exist all across the entire thing. These are called palatine rugae. And then finally, the different types of teeth. So I have arrows just on one side of the top, or the upper teeth, but the same types of teeth exist on the lower jaw. So the first two teeth here on this side are incisors. The next one is called a canine. The next two after that, these are premolars, 1 and 2. And then the last 3 teeth all the way in the back are the molars, 1, 2, 3. It's the exact same thing on the other side of the upper teeth, and then exactly the same on the lower teeth. So you have first 2 incisors, and then a canine, 2 premolars, and then 3 molars that are all the way in the back.